Hiya, my name is Peter from Appollo Gas Services. We're a family-run business. We've been installing and repairing boilers for the last 36 years now, believe it or not. With our boilers, you get a 10 or a 12-year guarantee. We install Worcester, Valiant and Baxi. Good, reliable boilers. We also do repairs. If your boiler breaks down, give us a call. We'll be there the same day. We've got Sean, Paul, who've been working for 35 years now. We've got a fantastic team that do the boiler installs as well. Matty, Lee and young Tom. With the boilers, it's best to get a quote. Get somebody to call out and do the quote. They can check all the pipe work, make sure you've got everything correct. And if you want the boiler moved to a different position, hopefully we can do that for you. But you can talk to the engineer and he'll tell you the best place where to put things. Darren usually does the quotes. A lot of people are frightened to get people to do the quote, but believe me, it's best to get a quote, not on the internet, because it just doesn't work. You need it done properly. You need that little special touch, and they can tell you, yes, you can have it here, no, you can't have it here. Instead of when somebody comes in, you get them on the internet, come in, can't go there, you're immediately annoyed. So if you want it done properly, just give us a call and we'll do the job properly for you. We have that little special touch. We've been going for a long time now, so the lads know exactly what they're doing. We've got a fantastic after-sales service as well. So we also look after the boiler with a 10-year, we get a 10-year guarantee. You must have your boiler serviced. We look after you. We send you the reminders so you never forget. And after your 10-year guarantee, we'll still look after the boiler, because boilers last longer than 10 years if you look after them. They're like cars, you service them, you have no problem with them. So if you want to give us a call on 0191 414 5555, we'll be over the moon to come out and give you a quote. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.